Hi everyone. Hopefully you can hear me and the audio is fine. Today I'm going to be just kind of showing you how I do my hair. From when I previously started this channel, my hair was pretty long, but now it's super short, which I don't know, I kind of have a love-hate with. But basically I only use like two products, and this is really gross. But I didn't have time to clean it, and then I just used the whatever hair dryer this is. This has a lot of heat, which I kind of like and is necessary for my hair. Hopefully the lighting is fine. This is recording on the back camera, so hopefully you guys like it. Okay, so usually what I do is section off my hair, and I actually forgot to bring kind of like a clip. I'm not gonna get it right now, I'm too lazy. So yeah, so what I do is I usually just close my eyes and just kind of like sprinkle Tresemme Thermal Creations. And then usually I would section my hair off and do this rather slowly, but today I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna turn it up on high. Okay, so like I said before, usually I would section off my hair into just like into 3 layers starting from the bottom, and then I would kind of curl up the brush and ensure that the hairdryer was kind of facing downward. I don't know if I'm doing it throughout this video because sometimes I do get sidetracked, but that's typically what you want to do, and you want to follow the direction of the brush. I did hear a while back that there was this amazing blow dryer you could get at Walmart for like 20-30 bucks. I don't know what it's called. I think it's like the Conair or something. And basically, if you don't have very coarse or dry hair, it works really well in terms of volumizing and straightening your hair. So hopefully one day I'll be able to get that product and actually do a review on that, because I'm really curious about how that would work. Essentially, it's just like a blow dryer, which is what I'm trying to achieve here with this with using a hair dryer and the rounded comb. This is not necessarily the best comb, but this is what I have right now, so I kind of have to make the use with it. I think it was mine for a while, then I gave it back to my mom, the brush, and then I got it back. Also, the hair dryer is not mine, it's my mom's. It's very, very old, I know, but it also has a lot of heat, and that's something that I really like because it tends to tame the hair and make it a lot more straighter. So yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of going over it and ensuring that it's pretty much straight or just volumizing enough. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I do want to say that, like, when I usually do this, I start from the bottom, or I try to. This is probably just like all over the place, but usually like I'll try to get the bottoms first and then kind of like work my way up, and that's usually how it is. If I do have more time, then I'll go in and straighten it or something like that, but I don't. And I think I'm kind of happy with the way it is, so whatever. That's just the way it is. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment, like, you know what to do. Until next time.